Ready to take your kitchen to the next level? These amazing new gadgets and appliances are designed to simplify cooking, speed up prep, and keep things running smoothly while you enjoy the fun part. From clever tools to smart helpers, they're here to make every meal easier and more exciting. All products are linked in the description below. What if your kitchen had its own personal chef? This smart cooking robot blends, stirs, steams, chops, fries, and more, all with a single touch. Over 20 functions and thousands of recipes mean you'll never run out of ideas. The touchscreen guides you step by step, so even tricky dishes become effortless. When dinner's done, it even cleans itself with just water and soap. Dinner doesn't have to be complicated when one appliance does it all. This multifunction oven can grill, bake, steam, air fry, and even keep your food warm. 10 different cooking modes let you whip up anything from crispy fries to fluffy cakes. The digital display makes adjustments simple, while built-in recipes take the guesswork out of meals. Compact, stylish, and powerful. It's like having a full kitchen packed into one box. Who knew toast could be this high-tech? This smart toaster comes with a full-color touchscreen that lets you pick exactly what you're toasting. Bread, bagels, or waffles. Wide slots fit everything from thick slices to frozen treats, and you can adjust the shade to your liking. The high-lift lever makes it easy to grab without burning your fingers. Sleek, powerful, and precise, it turns breakfast into a breeze. Clean water right from your tap without the hassle. This faucet-mounted filter removes impurities like lead, chlorine, and even fine particles, giving you safer drinking water instantly. The smart LED display shows water temperature and filter life, so you always know when it's time for a change. With 2 modes, you can easily switch between filtered and unfiltered water. Your morning coffee just got smarter and greener. This reusable pod system works with most single-serve coffee machines, letting you brew your favorite grounds without the waste of disposable pods. You save money with every cup while cutting down on plastic. Just scoop, fill, and pop it in for a rich, fresh brew. Cleanup is quick, and the pods are built to last, simple, sustainable, and delicious. Boil water without even leaving the couch. This smart kettle connects to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth so you can control it from your phone or with your voice through Alexa or Google. 4 preset temperatures mean your tea, coffee, or cocoa is always just right. LED lights show you the mode at a glance, and it keeps water warm for up to 2 hours. Safe, fast, and super convenient. Seasoning has never felt this futuristic. These electric grinders let you add salt, pepper, or spices with just the push of a button, no twisting required. The wireless charging base keeps them powered and ready whenever you need them. With 5 grind settings, you can go from fine to coarse in seconds, and a built-in light ensures precision. Sleek, stainless steel design makes them as stylish as they are practical. Why wait in a drive-thru when you can make breakfast faster at home? This sandwich maker cooks 1 or 2 sandwiches in just 5 minutes. Layer in your bread, eggs, cheese, and toppings, and the non-stick rings handle the rest. A built-in timer beeps when your meal is ready, so there's no guesswork. Fresh, hot, and completely customizable, it's breakfast made your way every time. Cooking grains doesn't have to be a guessing game. This smart rice and grain cooker actually senses how much you've added and automatically dispenses the right amount of water for perfect results. With 21 presets, you can make everything from quinoa to couscous with just a tap. It even has a steamer basket for veggies or fish, so your whole meal comes together in one place, hands-free. Running out of closet space? These stackable storage bins are designed to keep everything neat without taking over your room. Each tier clicks securely into place, and the front doors with magnetic closures make it easy to grab what you need. Plus, the whole unit rolls on wheels, so you can move it anywhere. When not in use, just fold them flat. Organized living made simple. Counting calories doesn't have to be a guessing game anymore. This smart kitchen scale does the math for you while you cook. It connects to an app that tracks up to 19 nutrients and even syncs with your health data. 4 precision sensors make every measurement spot on, and the tare function subtracts the container weight instantly. The stainless steel surface is durable, sleek, and wipes clean in seconds. Big mess or tiny spill, this little mop is ready for it all. Its sponge head soaks up water fast, and the built-in squeeze handle lets you wring it out with one hand. The groove design digs into stains and leaves surfaces spotless. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to store when you're done. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, desktops, or even car windows. Washing dishes just got a lot easier. This clever palm brush stores soap inside and releases it with a simple press of a button. Tough nylon bristles scrub away baked-on messes, but stay gentle on non-stick pans. The rounded shape fits right in your hand for comfort and control. When it's time, just refill the soap or swap out the bristles in seconds. Clogged drains are a headache, but this sink strainer makes cleanup simple. It holds a disposable mesh bag that catches food scraps and peels while letting water flow through. The frame rotates 90 degrees, so it doubles as a handy towel rack when you need it. A suction cup keeps it steady, but also lets you move it wherever works best. Say goodbye to messy sinks and plumbing problems. Staying organized just got a whole lot easier. This pocket-sized label maker connects to your phone with Bluetooth and prints clear stickers in seconds. No ink or toner needed. The app gives you endless templates, fonts, and icons so you can design labels your way. Perfect for jars, school supplies, cables, or even small business packaging. Lightweight, rechargeable, and always ready to tidy up your world. Dishes just got a whole lot easier. This 2-in-1 gadget holds your sponge and dispenses just the right amount of soap with every pump. Its large reservoir means fewer refills, and the leak-free design keeps your countertops spotless. BPA-free and safe, it's built to last while saving soap and effort. Compact, smart, and perfect for any kitchen sink setup. Breakfast prep just got easier. This egg holder keeps your fridge neat while making eggs roll forward automatically, so you never have to dig to the back. With 4 vertical tiers, it holds up to 30 eggs while saving tons of space. Strong plastic construction keeps everything secure and protected from cracks. Slide it into your fridge and enjoy an organized, hassle-free way to grab eggs anytime. Why let your wine glasses clutter the counter when you can hang them in style? These under-cabinet racks give your stemware a neat home while freeing up space. Each one holds several glasses securely, keeping them within easy reach but out of the way. Installation is simple, just stick them on, no drilling required. Strong, rust-proof plastic means they'll last, whether in your kitchen, bar, or dining area. No more fumbling in the dark. These rechargeable lights snap under cabinets or along stairs with strong built-in magnets. No wiring or tools needed. Motion sensors turn them on automatically when you walk by and shut them off after you leave. You can pick from 5 brightness levels, whether you need full light for cooking or a soft glow at night. Recharge with USB-C, and they're ready to shine again for days. Your everyday outlets just got smarter. These Wi-Fi plugs let you control lamps, fans, or appliances right from your phone. Want hands-free? Just use your voice with a smart assistant and power things on or off instantly. You can even set schedules, like having lights turn on before you get home. Simple to set up and UL certified, they make any house feel like a smart home. Washing dishes doesn't have to be a chore anymore. This compact dishwasher sits right on your counter and takes care of the mess with 6 different wash programs. You can fill its built-in tank or connect it directly to the tap. No tricky installation needed. Powerful 360-degree spray arms leave every dish spotless, while high-temp drying keeps things hygienic. Control it from your phone and enjoy sparkling clean plates with 0 effort. Cooking just got smarter and easier. This multi-cooker doesn't just simmer your meals, it stirs and even shreds automatically so you don't have to lift a spoon. With 9 presets, you can saute, sear, slow cook, or make risotto with foolproof results. The large pot handles family-sized meals while keeping everything evenly cooked. When dinner's done, the non-stick ceramic parts pop right into the dishwasher for quick cleanup. Whip up breakfast favorites in seconds. This electric crepe pan makes crepes, pancakes, tortillas, blintzes, and more with ease. The non-stick surface heats evenly in just 30 seconds, while the automatic temperature control keeps food from burning. Compact and easy to handle, it's perfect for any kitchen. Cleanup is a breeze. Just wipe the non-stick plate with a damp cloth and you're done.